many gems do they have?
Very good. Next, what's the
Jenny
answer?
has 3 gems. I don't have red hair. They have 5 gems.
They have. Hello, Jimmy.
Hello,
It's nice to see you again. How are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm fine too. Thank you for asking. So, Jimmy, how was your weekend?
It's fine.
Okay, that's nice to know. And what did you do last weekend?
I went to my grandmother's house.
Wow. Did you go there with your younger brother?
Yes,
Okay. What did you do there?
I played video games and went outside.
You played video games and you went outside, right? Okay. So, do you always go to your grandmother's house?
Yes,
Okay. Give me a sentence, please.
yes,
Do you always go to your grandmother's house?
yes. I always go to my grandmother's house.
Okay. Very good. All right. Well, it's nice to see you again. Welcome to our class. Jimmy, thank you so much for sharing what you did last weekend. But for now, it's time for us to study our lesson. Are you ready?
Yes,
Okay. Now, I have one question to ask you before we begin. And let's see if you will remember how to answer this one properly. So, Jimmy, how's the weather today?
it's sunny today.
Okay, very good. It's sunny today. And do you like the weather today?
So.
Oh, so. Okay. So, what did you do today?
I went to school today.
Your new school, right?
Yes,
Okay. And how was it?
fine.
Okay, what did you do there?
I studied.
Oh, wow, really?
Yes,
Oh, okay. So, do you have new friends?
yes.
Okay. And are they all nice? Are they all kind?
I don't know because
Because you just met them?
yes.
Okay. Well, I'm so happy that you met new people and you made new friends. And maybe in the future we can talk about your friends, okay? But for now, let's start our lesson. You ready?
Yes.
Okay. So, let's have a quick activity. So, let's take a look at the picture. I'm sure you know these brawlers.
No.
Do you know them?
No, I don't know.
Oh, you met them on Unit 1, right?
No.
Okay. Well, I think you know this guy. What's his name?
Linda Make.
Oh, really? It's not Jimmy Mike?
Okay, Dynamite.
Okay, Dynamite. Okay. Who is he?
Bro.
Bull.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Can you give me a sentence? Who is he?
He is Bo.
Okay. And let's try the last one. What's her name?
Her name is Shelly.
Okay. Her name is Shelly. Okay. Now, I have a question. How many gems does Shelly have?
She has 1 gems.
Okay, it's almost there. Now I want you to say it this way. She has 1 gem.
She has 1 gem. Because not is. Because
Yeah.
just 1.
Yes. So can you say it one more time, please?
She has 1 gem.
Okay, very good. Now let's talk about Dynamite. How many gems does he have?
He has 3 gems.
Okay, and Bull has 2 gems. Now, which brawler has the most gems?
Dynamite has the most gems.
Okay, very good, because he has 3. Okay, now, remember I asked you the question, how many? Like, how many gems does Dynamite, does Bull, does Shelly have? That is because our lesson has something to do with that question, okay? But before we talked about that, let's talk about a game in Brawl Stars, okay? So let's begin. Gem Grab. Are you familiar with Gem Grab? Good. Alright. So let's read this one, okay? So this is what we are going to do, Jimmy. I will read first and then you repeat after, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's begin. Gem Grab is one of the game modes in Brawl Stars.
Gem grab in one of the game modes in Brawl Stars.
This is a 3-on-3 game,
This is a 3-on-3 game.
meaning 2 teams should have 3 members each.
Meaning 2 teams should have 3 members each.
To win, a team must collect 10 gems and
a team must collect 10 gems and hold the gems for 15 seconds. 15.
Okay, let's practice saying a word, okay? Collect.
Collect.
Okay, very good. So, like what's mentioned here, Gem Grab is one of the game modes in Brawl Stars. We played this a lot, right?
A lot. A lot.
And you were really good at this. We always win because of you.
Not me?
Not because of me. Alright. But this is actually fun. Do you like playing Gem Grab?
Fine.
I like it a lot. I don't like one of the modes we play. It's like a football game in Brawl Stars.
Soccer?
Yeah, I don't like it a lot. Because, I don't know, I'm not good at it. Okay, anyway, let's talk about Gem Grab. Now, I have some words here. Okay, actually, I have 2 words for you. And let's read them. So let's write the first one. Hold.
Hold.
Collect.
Collect.
Okay, now read the first word.
Hold. Collect.
Okay, great job. Now, when you say hold, Jimmy, it means to say not to lose something.
Not to lose something.
Yes. So there are 2 meanings. Okay. Now, say for example, let's try this one. My smartphone. I am holding it, right? So I'm just holding it. Now, when you say hold, not to lose something, I have to hold it carefully for me not to lose it. Okay. So I need to hold and keep it. Okay. Yeah. And then when you say collect, it means to get and gather. Okay? So say for example, I have here a pencil. If I need to collect say pencils, I need to have, say for example, I need to hold them, okay, and not lose them. Okay?
Okay.
Alright, so that's collect. It means to get and gather. Is it clear?
Clear.
Okay. Now, Can you tell me the meaning of hold?
Not to lose the game.
Okay, very good. Or not to lose the gem as an example. Okay. Now, how about collect?
I know.
Okay, when you say collect, it means to get.
To get the gem.
Yes, that is a very good example. Now, let's talk about gem grab again. So, tell me if the sentence is true or false. Okay? And if it is false, tell me why. Okay? Okay. So, here, let's try the first sentence. In Jam Grab, each team should have 5 members. True or false?
False.
Okay, why?
3 members.
Yes, very good. So you can say it this way. Each team should have 3 members. Okay, can you read this one for me, please?
False. Each team should have 3 members.
Okay, very good. Now let's try the second one. To win, a team must collect 15 gems and hold them for 10 seconds.
False. A team must collect 10 gems and hold them for 15 seconds.
Let's see. Wow, very good. So you were correct. To win, a team must collect 10 gems and hold them for 15 seconds. Good job. And that, you have a star. Keep it up, Jimmy. Now, do you have questions about gem grab?
No, I don't have any questions.
Okay. So remember earlier in our icebreaker part, we answered, or you answered some questions. I asked you the question, how many? And like I said earlier, that has something to do with our lesson for today. Okay, so today we are going to practice asking and answering how many. Okay, so let's take a look at the question. This is your pattern. Okay, so how many does he or she have? Okay, so say for example, how many gems does she have? Talking about Shelly.
3 gems.
Okay, and that's a very good answer. Now the sentence pattern is he or she has, okay, the number, okay, for example, 3, and then gems, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so let's take a look at the sample question. Can you please read?
How many gems does Shelly have?
Very good. Next, what's the
Shelly
answer?
has 3 gems.
Okay, very good. Now let's practice the second pattern. Now for the second pattern, Jimmy, we changed he or she with I, you, they,
we.
or we. Okay? Alright. And in the pattern or in the answer, instead of saying has, we say have. Okay?
Have.
Yes, very good. So like I said, instead of saying has, we say have. Is it clear?
Clear.
Okay, so I am going to write the word have here so you won't forget. Here it is. Okay, so this is the sentence pattern. Now, let's talk about Dynamite and Shelly. Can you make a question using how many?
How many do they have?
How many what? How
many gems do they have?
Okay, very good. So what's the answer?
They have 4 jams.
Okay, very good. So they have 4 jams. Okay, so can you repeat the question, please?
They have.
Oh, the question.
Oh, okay. How many jams do they have?
Okay, very good. So how many jams do they have? Okay, so when you say they, we are talking about Dynamite and Jimmy. Okay. Okay. So the answer is they have 4 jams. Okay. Good job. And because of that, Jimmy, another star for you. Now, let's practice, okay? Okay. So let's look at El Primo. How many jams does El Primo have?
He has 5 jams.
Okay, very good. He has 5 jams. Now, let's take a look at Bull. How many jams does Bull have?
He has 6 jams.
Okay, very good. He has 6 jams. Good job. And how many jams does Nita have?
She has 1 jam.
Okay, good job. 1 jam. Now, let me share another sentence pattern for you, okay? Now, if there's only one, you can
A
also say it.
jam. A jam.
Yes, very good. I'm glad you remembered. So, when you say a jam, it means 1 jam. Very good. Good job. Now, do you have questions?
No, I don't have any
Okay.
questions.
So let me just put the other pattern here. Okay. So she has 1 jam or she has a jam. Good job. Now, and because of that, I'll give you another star. Okay. Oh, by the way, Jimmy, do you like Nita?
Fine.
Who is your favorite brawler?
I don't have any favorite brawler.
Really? My favorite is Shelly. Yeah.
You have
And
El Primo, Colt, Nita, and Shelly.
I don't like Nita. I don't like El Primo. I don't like Colt. Yeah. Because they are really slow. They walk so slowly.
Shelly is slow too.
Really? I don't think so.
Okay.
Alright. Well, Shelly is my favorite. Probably because she's the first brawler that I have ever tried. Yeah, maybe that's why she's my favorite. Nita is also okay. But yeah, she's my second favorite.
El
Anyway.
Primo is walk very fast. Fast, not very.
Really?
He can fly.
Oh yeah. You actually showed it to me, right? Yeah. But I wanted to say it this way. El Primo walks fast.
El Primo walks fast.
Okay. Yeah, and he can fly. Alright. That's a good point. He could be my third favorite. Alright, anyway, let's practice some more. So let's try Colt and Shelly. How many jams do Colt and Shelly have?
They have 3 jams.
They have 3 jams. Very good. Now, I have a question, Jimmy. Who do you like better? Colt or Shelly?
Shelly.
Okay, give me a sentence.
Shelly is better than Colt.
Okay, that's a good answer. Or you can also say it this way. I like Shelly
better than Colt.
Okay, very good. I like Shelly better than Colt. Now let's practice some more. Here, how many jams do you have.
That
This
is
time,
not me. I don't have red hair.
hair.
Okay.
Yeah, I know. So this
I
time,
have
let's
nine. I have 9 gems.
Okay, so I have 9 gems. But what's his name?
His name is Coach.
Yes, very good. His name is Colt. Good job. Do you like Colt?
Fine.
Fine. Okay. Now, how many gems do you and Colt have?
We have one. We have a gem.
Okay, very good. So we have 1 or
A
we
gem.
have a gem. Okay. So you can say we have 1 gem or we have a gem. Good answer, Jimmy. There you go. Keep it up. Now, let's continue, okay? This time, I want you to make questions based on the answers given, okay?
How many gems do you have? I have 4 gems. How many gems do they have? They, Shelly and Bo, have 7 gems.
Okay. Or instead of saying how many gems do they have in the question, you can first say their names. Like, how many gems do Shelly and Bo have? Yes. Because we have to really, we have to mention their name first in order for us to know which brawlers are we referring to or talking about. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, how many gems do Shelly and Bo have?
They
Good
have
job.
7 gems.
7?
7.
Or 7?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7.
Okay. Good point. Alright, so let's practice some more. The answer here is we, okay, talking about you and Alfie, have 8 gems.
How many gems do you and Alfie have? We have 8 gems.
Okay. Now, let's try this one. Dynamite has 2 gems.
How many does Dynamite have?
One more time.
How many gems does Dynamite have?
Okay, very good. So, how many gems does Dynamite have? Okay?
Okay.
Alright. Do you have any questions?
No, I don't have any questions.
Really?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. This time, let's apply. How many gems do you have?
I have 3 gems.
Okay. I have 3 gems. And let's try this question. How many gems does Shelly have?
She has 2 gems.
Okay, very good. Don't forget, she has. Okay? Alright. Now, let's talk about El Primo. How many gems does El Primo have?
He has 6 gems.
Very good. He has 6 gems. Now, let's try this question. How many gems do you and your teacher have?
We have 8 gems.
Okay, we have 8 gems. And how many gems do you or do your brother and father have?
We have 5 gems.
Okay, we're talking about your brother and your father.
Oh, I think is how many gems do you and your younger brother and father have?
Sorry about that. Yeah, but it's only your brother and father.
They have 5 gems.
They have 5 gems. Wow, very good. That was easy, right?
It's fine.
Okay, so let's write the last one. How many gems do Colt and Nita have?
They have 2 gems.
They have 2 gems. Okay, so Jimmy, you actually did a great job here. Just don't forget the sentence pattern that we studied today, okay? Especially when it comes to using has, okay? For he or she, okay, we say has. He has, she has. Okay, for I, we, they, you, we say have. I have, you have, they have, we have. Okay?
Okay.
Alright. Well, Jimmy, do you have any questions?
No, I don't have any questions.
No. Okay. And thank you so much for today, Jimmy. And I'll see you again on...
Next time.
When?
I don't know.
Well, maybe I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah. See you tomorrow, Jimmy. Thank you so much for today.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.